Hey everybody, I am proud to announce that we have a new partner, MOC Roofing. They're based right here in Waxahachie. They have a combined 50 years of roofing experience. They can help you with remodeling or metal roofing, a new roof, insurance claims. They do residential, they do commercial businesses. They wanted to come on board and be a part of this race team, and I met with them yesterday and we're really excited. So hopefully this can go pretty far. Yeah, hit up MOC Roofing. I'll leave a link in the description with their contact information and their website. So if you end up needing a new roof or want to remodel, just hit them up and tell them I sent you. You gonna come racing with us, Donut? You come racing with us? It is Saturday the 12th of June. Hi, Donut. Pulled the car out after sitting for maybe 3 weeks because we kept getting rained out. But it's a very nice and hot day out. Dad's over there mowing. So pull this thing out, about to pull it in the garage and check all the nuts and bolts, make sure she fires up, check tires, stuff like that. You know, do our basic little check over before each race. We are going to Kennedale for, how many times have we gone this year? Like 5 or 6 times at least.
5 or 6.
Yeah.
Been rained out a lot.
But yeah, the past couple races have been rained out, so we haven't been racing at all for the month of June, or really May. I think May 5th was our last race. We just stopped and got some fuel. Got the dirt bike, who's being loaned out by Johnny Boyd. Thank you, sir. Really appreciate it. A little tiny, but hey, it works. It helps get around the track. It beats walking like a mile to the bathroom. So. Hey, we got Britt here with us today. Yep, we're excited. He's gonna help us. He's on our pit crew.
Rock on. Car looks pretty well set up. We tried to flip around the tires, get a better bite on the outer edge, but don't have the tools for it, so kind of unfortunate. But
we'll do it in a couple days.
Yeah,
I'll take it to a tire shop. And then we got another pit crew member on another guy's pit crew now. He went to the other side. That's okay. That's kind of the cool thing about all these guys is everyone's willing to help everyone out, and it's pretty cool.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's a great time out here. It doesn't matter what place we get in, but we're shooting for first. We did pretty well last race. I wasn't here for that one, but I watched it, and I mean, leading. So that's what we're shooting for today, all night.
Yeah, we're trying. All right, we're about to do our heat race. I have no idea where I'm starting because the lineup's not posted yet. But we're excited, we're ready. Car should be good. I know you checked it over.
Brakes are nice and tight.
Brakes are good.
Tires are aired up. How are you feeling today?
I'm good. I've been ready because we kept getting rained out, and I'm just ready to race. I'm ready to be behind the wheel again.
We'll make one of the main races for sure.
For sure.
Just don't spin out this time.
I will try not to. I will not spin out under my own power.
There you go. But yeah, car's ready. I think we're ready.
We were watching the NASCAR race today on my phone. They had a shot of inside the car. They always have a little thermometer, 148 degrees inside the NASCAR.
No thanks.
Inside the race car, I mean. And
That's low level cooking for you.
yeah, but those guys have
cool suits.
Cool suits and AC blown into their helmet, but it's still hot and it's hard work.
Well, I think those guys lose, what, 8 or 9 pounds?
They lose 10
water?
pounds of water weight.
Yeah.
So I'll probably lose some pounds. Hopefully I lose some right here because it's a little pudgy right here. Are you zooming in? It's a good time to talk about that Gibson.
Yes, that
Definitely
Gibson.
check them out. They've really pushed me to follow my dreams and to pursue my passion of racing. And they immediately hopped on board. They said, yes, we want to be a part of your team. So hopefully when we're into NASCAR, we can still have this logo on the side of it.
Heck yeah.
Also, check out MOC Roofing, just like that. check out MOC Roofing. Literally just got them on board yesterday. Another huge thank you to Brett for coming and telling me he wants to sponsor me. Again, he's helping me pursue my passion and stuff like that. So definitely check them out if you need any roofing needs.
So we are heat 2, starting second on the outside.
Oh, all right.
Heat 4.
Starting on fourth.
So outside, second one in.
Look at that. Nice. I love technology because you can just like look on your phone and know exactly where you're starting. I still forget, so I'll get like some tape and I'll put it on the dash somewhere, like right down where I'm supposed to line up. So all right, let's get going. See y'all later. All right, we got 12th place, started 18th, so we moved up 6 positions. I'm pretty happy. Car was awesome. Guy flipped right in front of me, so that was a little scary.
Was that right in front of you?
Well, not right in front of me, but I drove past it as it happened. Yeah, we did, crew did really great. We're on our way to IHOP because it's, what time is it, 11:30?
Yep.
I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm sticky.
Yes.
Everything is just so gross right now. Yeah, I met some guys, they bought some shirts, so thank you guys for supporting us, and we'll keep the dream alive, we'll keep pushing.
Heck yeah. Car did good. I mean, we did have a few issues at the first heat, but I did correct them with the car with tire pressure. We also took
And those little covers.
Yeah, the air filter covers, we took those off, and it seemed like the car would accelerate a little bit better, get out of the corner a little bit better. So that was a really good thing, finding that information out. We still have a little bit of suspension travel left in the car, so that's always a plus. Yeah, Merritt did great racing the car. I mean, he was hooking and bucking and figuring out how the car was handling tonight on this track that was supposedly redone and turned to crap by the time he went out there and raced.
Turn 3 and 4 was
garbage.
super bad. Like physically, it hurt driving through 3 and 4 just because of how violent it is and just knocks the car around. Like my whole upper body is just gonna be so sore tomorrow.
And after the flip, that didn't help because that turf put a big old pothole in that corner.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was a good night for me. Car, crew, truck. I mean, can't complain.
Made it in the main.
Made the main. No issues. Car's going home, ready to go for next race. Really.
Yep.
Top off the fluids, nut and bolt check everything. We're good to go.
Well, that was a good night. It's 1 in the morning now, right?
Of course it is.
1.
Something like that.
IHOP wasn't that great. Don't go to the one in Mansfield. Kind of sucks.
Just tonight. Last time we were here, they were really good.
Hey, there's Haley. Hello. I'm going home with her.
I'm taking the trailer home, and then I'll be back at Merritt's place tomorrow to drop it off. To do NASCAR.
Yep, we're going to the All-Star race, so pretty excited.
I'm not watching for
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay home and rest.
Yeah, I'm tired. All right, thanks for watching. We're gonna go.
Peace.
And I'm gonna go home and edit this video probably tomorrow. Goodbye.